Hi. When you learn to replace imposter syndrome with confidence, you win your time back. This is because you stop compensating for feeling like an imposter with overworking and overcommitting. And when you do, when you stop, your brain is more refreshed, it's relaxed, so that you're able to access your higher thinking brain, your negotiating brain when you go to advocate for yourself, negotiate for yourself, for your team, to lead, to influence. And when you do that, you build capability, right, in your leadership skills. You build confidence in yourself, and this adds to the commitment to honor your time boundaries so that you're able to have time to you, time to be with your loved ones, time to relax, time to just dance in your own apartment like I like to do. So I invite you to join my free training next Wednesday. I will teach you my 6 proven steps to replace imposter syndrome with confidence for smart working women like you. See you then. Bye.